Hello everybody, welcome back to another Too Many Freakin Crafts. I am your host, Random Ruth, and today we're going to work on turning this race car driver
Sometimes I'm a race car driver!
into Brian. So, first we're going to cut off his arms. If you don't know who Brian is the human friend, the regular old kid friend of Rainbow Brite, from the Rainbow Brite TV show. And I decided to take this random race car driver that I had and see if I can't turn him into Brian. But what I want to do is make him taller, because he is taller than everybody else. He's like a regular sized kid.
Wait, is that regular size Rudy or pocket size Rudy?
And everybody else is not. So, oh, there goes one arm. Okay. I'm gonna make his arms longer, we're gonna make his legs longer, and we're just gonna make him taller. So, it kind of reflects his size and the cartoon. So, here we go. Let me know when you're finished.
Let's kick it up a notch. Yeah.
Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do after I get these arms off, I'm going to cut him in half. Yep, we're going to lengthen his torso too. Ah, we cut him in half. Ah! Alright, and that's not all. We're taking apart his legs. Then make his legs longer and the whole shebang. Yep, there you go. He's all cut up. All nice and diced in pieces, and I'm going to put them back together.
Together on, together on, together on, together on again. Together on again.
Alright, so now I've got some clay made all put together. We're going to start lengthening the torso of Brian. And, you know, we're going to make him a lot taller. I think he's like 10 to 12 in the show. And we're going to add some wire here to help make him, I don't know, his torso easier to connect to the legs. I tried doing this with just clay earlier and it wasn't quite working. So this is going to help kind of make the legs and the body come together better when it's all hardened. While we're waiting here, we're going to put together Brian's hair. I'm going to start making it look more like Brian's. It's an okay head on its own, but Brian's hair has more of like a side part and a certain look about it. So I'm going to add hair to this pop to make it look a little more Brian-esque.
Brian!
What do you think? It's looking pretty good so far, right? Mm-hmm.
Pretty good.
I need some more. We got to cover up the back. Make the whole thing look like it's all supposed to be that way in the first place. Put them together. Yeah, look at that. Okay, now we're going to add some more clay to the legs again and try to make the legs longer. Help connect these to the body. But we are also going to put some hole in them. Add hair on the other side. Okay, so there's his head. All the hair put on. I think that's going to do. Look out for Brian. Hey! Alright. Yep. You like him? What do you think? Mm-hmm. I like him.
Now I kinda like him.
Me too.
Okay, next day I came back, let the legs and the arms, the torso all harden, and now we're making little cuts and making like holes in the legs so we can more easily get the wire in them, so we can connect the torso and the leg a little better. So we want them to have some more height, but we want the legs and the torso to come together more securely. Alright, and we're using Rainbow here for comparison, so we can see how much taller he is. Make sure we're getting him the right size. A ton of these little holes in here for the wires. Alright, there's the holes. Now it's gluing the wires. we can get these things. Alright, standing. He's got a body, yay!
He got a new body.
Alright, so we've got to get some clay around all that as it dries. Oh, before we start messing with the legs though, let's make a collar and start working on his sweater, because Brian wears a sweater and it's got 11 on it. And it's got kind of like the collar shirt underneath the sweater. So we'll put together the collar, give it some of the details it needs. We're waiting for the legs to set before we start adding any more clay to that and trying to solidify the legs. Alright, we've come together pretty well so far.
Pretty good.
There you go, what do you think? Got a collar, start looking at a sweater. Starting looking a lot more like Brian. Alright. You gotta love the sweater. I love a man in a sweater.
I'd like to call this little number striped sweater. The best time to wear a striped sweater is all the time. One with a collar, turtleneck, that's the kind.
Okay, now we're gonna add the clay to the legs. Fill out the connection to the torso. Make sure we get a good look here. We also want him to have nice strong legs so he can actually stand up on these legs. We kind of need to add some butt cheeks. I know it's funny, but people have butts, so we gotta add those little bit of a cheek so he looks like a normal person on his flat buttless thing. Okay, adding that. Right, butt. There you go. There's his butt. Right, looking more normal again. Well, that's all for today. Thanks, guys, for watching, and we'll see you again next time. Another Too Many Freaking Crafts.